Perth is the most isolated city in the world. It's also got some of the nicest weather, but that means we've got days well into the 40s. Particularly out in the mining areas, it's very hot, dry, dusty, a pretty hostile environment for a label. They need to be extremely durable and withstand long periods of time outside. Mining sites are heavily regulated, so any warning symbols such as your GHS pictograms need to be there for the life of that product. It's important that these do not fade. My name's Stuart Fysh and I'm the Managing Director of the Label Factory. Business has been running for 33 years and I've been at the helm for the last 7. The Label Factory services clients across Australia and all sorts of products that go out onto mine sites, whether that's mining, drilling fluid, cleaning products, degreaser, chemicals. All these products end up on mine sites outside for extended periods of time. The HP 6K with the light fast inks has allowed us to produce super high quality labels for the mining sector and others that require the labels not to fade. This means that the label will last outside for much longer than a traditional label. So the HP 6K gives us a far better quality of print in terms of resolution, in terms of registration particularly, and by having light fast inks it allows us to have that offset quality digitally but still have the light fastness. The Label Factory made the decision to buy the HP at the peak of the pandemic. At the same time, the Western Australian borders were closed, so it became extremely important to us that we were supported by local service engineers that could keep us running when we needed to be running. The quality of the print, the level of the service, and the versatility of the press made a huge difference to our reliability. Since implementing the HP 6K, we have seen a far greater uptime in our print and allowed us to increase the size and scale of our business into new markets. Perth is some of the best wine growing regions in Australia. We do labels for the wine market, so it's important for us that we can help both ends of the market. Our relationship with HP gives us confidence that we have the best technology out there, that we will always have the highest quality label.